Hello everyone, I need a suggestion. I want to purchase a laptop and I would like you all to tell me how much will it cost. A ballpark figure will also do. What? Ballpark figure? Yes. So today we are going to learn what is a ballpark figure. Ballpark figure is a rough estimate. It's a rough calculation. We can also say that it is a rough estimate of the actual figure. You know, if someone comes to you and asks you, can you help me with this cost? At this moment, you are unable to tell what will be the exact figure. But the person pushes you a lot. He actually wants to know now. So what you can do is you can give that person a ballpark estimation. Means something which is roughly calculated but is considered to be close to what the actual figure will be. I hope you have understood. Let's take few examples now. Example 1. How many people will be attending this event? Oh, we are still working on that list. As of now, I can give you a ballpark figure. See, right now the person is not prepared with the exact number of people. So he or she is saying that I can give you a rough estimate. So a ballpark figure. Hey, let's take this scenario now. A conversation between a customer and a salesperson. Customer: hey, I want to purchase a laptop. Can you tell me what will be the cost of this particular laptop? Salesperson: oh, don't worry about the cost, sir. We can discuss about it later. Customer: at least give me a ballpark figure. So here the person is saying, okay, we can figure it out later on, but at least give me a rough estimate. Now let's continue with that scenario only. So the salesperson is replying, I will have to talk to my manager to tell you the exact cost, but as a ballpark figure, I would say that it will be about rupees 35,000. So see how I have used this ballpark figure as a customer and as a salesperson. In short, in a nutshell, ballpark figure is a rough estimate. When you are not ready with the exact amount of something, you can always give a rough estimate, right? And that rough estimate is known as ballpark figure. Likewise, you can also ask for the ballpark figure from someone else. Let's take one last example. Do you have a ballpark figure for the cost of this surgery? See? So you can use this term even in hospitals. Wherever you want a rough estimate of something or you want to give a rough estimate of something, use this term ballpark figure. I hope you have understood this very well. This is Anushri signing off. Thank you.